We are making a poke cake for the 4th of July. Poke cake recipes can be found on Pinterest. This one starts with making a white cake. So we are adding only egg whites, oil, and water. We're going to mix it up in the mixer. The kids are taking turns adding the ingredients. Then we're going to pour the batter into a prepared pan that has been sprayed with cooking spray. They also are taking turns doing this. After we bake the cake according to package directions, we're going to let it cool completely. Then we're going to poke some big holes in it using the end of some kitchen utensils. And they're going to take turns pouring the prepared Jell-O into the big holes, alternating red and blue. The only blue Jell-O we could get was this Starburst blue raspberry, and the color is not as dark as we hoped it would be, but it turned out pretty anyway. After the Jell-O has set for a few hours in the fridge, we frost the cake with Cool Whip, and then they decorated with red, white, and blue sprinkles. Taking turns again, they started out making stripes, and then it just went crazy from there, and they got wild with the sprinkles, but it turned out pretty anyway. Their mom is coming to join us this day, so they were excited to make a cake for her. And here is a slice of the finished product. It was very pretty, but I wish the blue had been darker. Thanks for joining us. Happy 4th of July.